doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now, and it could fade away.
Hey guys, welcome back to another deep cleaning video. Today I'm tackling my master bedroom. It needs to be decluttered and deep cleaned, and I'm also going to refresh the whole space, so make sure you keep watching to see how it turns out. Our homes, and especially our bedroom, is a place where you're supposed to be able to come to get peace and relaxation throughout the day, and this ain't it, sis. Ruben and I are always go, 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 and our bedroom definitely gets neglected. So I've already stripped the bed and all of that stuff is in the washer. I'm going to go ahead and grab all of the cups and bottles and glasses out of here. I hope we are not the only ones that do this. It is actually embarrassing, but it is real life, and you know I always bring real life here to my channel. And Ruben also has this pile of socks on top of the dresser. We get the laundry done, and a lot of times it just doesn't get folded or put away, and I know we are not the only ones to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and put all of that together for him. Also, you know, this dresser is it's just a mad place. It drives me insane. I've talked about it over and over again, so I'm going to tackle that, and I'm going to get all of that taken care of. And I know that I've talked to you guys before about wanting a new bedroom suit, and I definitely still do. We are still, you know, searching for that. Things happen throughout life, and you know, we weren't able to get one when I wanted to, but I thought, okay, why don't I just go ahead and deep clean? It definitely needs it anyway, and I'll just kind of refresh the whole space, kind of make it new to me and a little bit different. So that's what I'm going to do as well. I'm going to be wiping down all of the furniture. I'm going top to bottom. I'm going to be doing the windows and the ceiling fan. Everything needs to be done in here, and I'm definitely going to do it. And I also wanted this video to be kind of relaxing, so I will play some relaxing music here. I hope that this gives you some motivation to get started on a room that you need to get started on. I will be coming in and out and talking to you guys about some things that I'm doing, but I wanted you to be able to just relax, clean along with me, or just get some motivation while watching. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do.
We keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms. Two different minds telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds.
You know just what to say to make it all okay.
So over there in that corner, we had just a bunch of paperwork and Amazon items that needed to be returned. We also had a bunch of disposable gloves and masks that we had ordered earlier on, and all of that stuff had just been sitting over there. And so I went ahead and pulled it all out, went through everything, put everything where it needed to go, and it feels so much better just having that corner cleaned out alone. Sometimes I feel like with the days being so busy and both of us working, it's just easier for us to lay things down where we are instead of just putting it all where it's supposed to be. So from now on, I'm going to try to be intentful about the few minutes that I have free during the day and just kind of go through, make sure everything is in its space. That way we don't end up with a bunch of piles like this throughout the house, because it's definitely just a huge clutter. And not only does it clutter up our house and our room, but it does clutter up your brain, and it just, you know, kind of stops you from being able to relax. So that is definitely one thing I'm going to start doing as well, is just making sure all of the things are in their spaces.
'Cause I am too blind to see when you're in front of me. We keep moving in different rhythms.
So I'm not sure if you can see all of the dirt and dust that's on the ceiling fan, but it definitely needed to be cleaned. So I went ahead and cleaned that. And I don't know if you know about this little trick. I'm sure everybody does. But if you just use an old pillowcase and run it over top of the ceiling fan blades, it will just collect all of the dust right there in the bag, and it's not flying all over the place while you're trying to clean. After you do that, you just kind of dump it all out into the trash can, throw it into the washing machine, and you're good to go. So after I got all of that dusted off, I grabbed my Murphy's oil soap cleaner. You guys know I love that stuff. I talk about it all the time. Sprayed that onto a microfiber cloth and got it all wiped down and clean. And I also cleaned the little light bulbs as well.
Two different minds, telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. Oh, oh, oh. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds, telling lies. That's how we stay alive. At least we try to survive. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds. We're not the ones who hide. Two different minds, telling lies. That's how we stay alive.
As you can see, I went ahead and wiped down all of the furniture as well. And that was just not something that I thought about. Like, we do dust, but to really clean it, I didn't think that it would be dirty, like as dirty as it was. But I guess not thinking about it, you know, we lay our clothes on things and our hands, just anything that you touch, especially now, it just grosses me out. So I'm really glad that I did that, because it was disgusting, and I was highly surprised at how gross everything was and how dirty it was. So after I got all of the furniture wiped down, I went ahead and did the glass on the full-length mirror and also the mirror on the dresser as well.
I'm looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. I'm trying to breathe, but the air feels just like water. You're making me weak now. What doesn't kill you makes you. Our hands touch once or twice, we should let them intertwine. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention.
So if you've made it through this far of the video, I want to say thank you so much. Go ahead and leave me your favorite emoji in the comments below if you have. Also, I want to say thank you for just choosing this video today. If this is your first time here, welcome. I truly appreciate each and every time you guys come and watch a video or comment. I really enjoy meeting you guys. So if this is your first time here, introduce yourself in the comments below so I can come and say hello personally. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and take the curtains down, clean the windows and the blinds. I actually picked up some new curtains for the bedroom and I'm super excited. I thought that I would go ahead and take down the gray, although I do like the gray. It just kind of makes it look a little bit more darker and closed in. So I figured I would go ahead and pick up something a little bit lighter to just brighten up the space and make it look a little bit bigger. And it really did that. So make sure you stay tuned so you can see how those look.
Looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention.
Now that everything is all clean, I'm going to go ahead and get the bed made up. And I also went and bought a new bedspread. I probably didn't need to, but just because it's getting a little bit cooler, we needed something thicker. And we had one that I had bought 2 years ago and there was nothing wrong with it. But like I said, I kind of just wanted to do a refresh of the whole space. So I did pick one up at Marshall's. It's just a white down comforter and it's got the little pin tucks in it. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. If I'm wrong, please correct me and let me know, but I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. But it just made everything feel so fresh and nice and clean and open in there. And then I also kind of shopped my house for a couple of things. Because it is close to Christmas, I didn't want to go spending a ton of money on some new decor in the bedroom. And I've got a bunch of stuff around the house. And you know, it's a lot nicer to just kind of repurpose some things that you have instead of spending more money. But I didn't want to bring in a whole bunch of stuff and just kind of clutter it up all over again. So I kept everything really basic and simple. I just brought in a little plant and also a candle, and I kept everything else just kind of plain. But I did run downstairs to our spare couch and I grabbed one of the pillows off of that. There's Bodie. I know you guys have not seen him this whole video, but there he is. I kind of had to keep the door shut because he kept getting into everything, but you know how that goes. So I grabbed one of the pillows off of the spare couch downstairs and just kind of used it as an accent pillow. And I know I've always said I'm not one of those types of people that will have like 10 pillows on the bed because I don't get it. I mean, I get it, but I don't. It's just more things for me to have to find a place to sit when I'm trying to go to bed. And as you saw, we had a bunch of clutter in here and I didn't want to add to it. But I thought this pillow just looked really cute and tied everything together. And also, I don't know why, but I'm getting kind of like a boho feeling from this whole situation. And I'm not mad about it. It's beautiful. I love the way all of it turned out. But it's kind of different from the rest of my house. So I want you guys to let me know in the comments how you think this turned out and if you think it's kind of got that little boho feel. I don't know why, but that's exactly what I'm thinking. And also I wanted to get some things to put on the wall, but I really didn't want to do that until we do get a new bedroom suit because it's obviously going to be a different color and I want everything to match. And we also just went and had some family photos done. We have never done that. Rude and I have never had professional photos taken together. So I kind of want to wait till those come back and maybe put those up, but I'm not quite sure.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you. I love the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take
take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. All of the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to rush, so let's just take our time. Dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go, come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be.
All right, you guys, what do you think? I am totally in love with this space now. I don't walk in here feeling all anxious about the clutter. Everything is up and gone and put where it needs to go. That corner is cleaned out, and that alone makes me feel so good. Just to be able to have that tackled makes it all worth it. Everything just kind of ties in together. The curtains made everything look so much brighter and bigger. The new comforter is so cozy to sleep in, so I'm really glad that I went ahead and purchased it. Everything is just so nice and neat in here, and I'm just in love. So I'm really glad that you guys decided to come and watch today. I want you to let me know in the comments below what your favorite part of this little mini makeover was. I really appreciate you guys coming and supporting me on today's video. And as always, I love you and I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.
Oh, we were meant to be.